Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this HUAWEI. First of all, go into Settings. In them, you need to scroll down and choose Privacy. Then select Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's features, like for example SMS. Then select one of your apps that you wish to manage, in this case Health, and tap on one of those options, Allow or Deny. I will go with Allow, so now when I go back, I can see that Health app just gained access to my device's messages. But you can always go back, select any feature and then an app that you wish to manage, in this case Calendar. Now click on See All Calendar Permissions instead and manage all of them only for Calendar app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!